Right, question 13 is about proportion. If we look at the question, y is directly proportional to x. When x equals 600, y equals 10, find a formula for y in terms of x. So when it's proportional, we'll do this. Y is directly proportional to x. We could have had lots of others. Y is proportional to x squared. Y is inversely proportional, which would have been 1 over something. If it was inversely proportional to x, it would have been 1 over x. If it was inversely proportional to x squared, it would have been 1 over x squared. Now what we need to do is make this into an equation. So it becomes y equals kx, where k is a constant of proportionality. So now let's substitute in all the values we have. We've got x equals 600 and y equals 10. So put them in. 10 equals k times 600. Now to get k on its own, what we need to do now is divide by 600. Divide by 600. So we get 10 over 600 equals k. Now that's good enough, or we could simplify it to cancel the zeros and just get k equals 1/60th. Now what we'll do now is substitute this back into here to get the formula. We have y equals kx and k is 1/60th. So we put simply that y equals 1/60th x. And that's that part done. Now the second part says calculate the value of y when x equals 540. Now all we need to do is use this formula that we've just found out, and if you see, if we substitute x in, y is the only unknown. So we put down y equals 1/60th multiplied by x, which is 540. Okay, now we could cancel and do this by hand, but it's a calculated paper, so we'll do that. I'm just going to use the fraction button this time. I could just do 1 divided by 60 multiplied by 540, but I'm just going to use the fraction button because I want to. We've got 1 here. Use the replay button to go down. 60. Go across. Multiplied by 540. That's equals, and we're getting 9. So that means y equals 9. That's the final answer.